Do you know why so many venues choose mobile poster screens? Or are you just curious about those big screens you see in stadiums, malls, and airports? Today I'm going to explain why and show you how to choose the best products. The major characteristic about this product is that the colors are extremely bright and vivid. As you can see, everything is very vivid. You can almost touch on the crisp colors, and it has a glossy feel to it. This is an LED mobile poster screen, but it has a glossy feel to it because we wanted to make it waterproof. So there's a layer of some material to make it waterproof, so that's why it's very glossy. Okay, so this product can be used both for indoor and outdoor. Okay, it's very versatile. It can be tiled together to form a larger screen, so you can put this and this together and it will give you a larger view. It is 192 centimeters high by 640 centimeters wide. It's just about this high, and if you're a connoisseur in the field, then you know what P1, P1.5, P1.8, P2 and P2.5 are. These are composed of individual models, and like I said, if you're a connoisseur in the field, then you would know how to differentiate each model. This product can be used in shopping malls, train stations, metros and airports. Would you mind to buy a product that is so high-tech and advanced for your advertising needs? Then you should send us a message today. Bye.